Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have cyclohexane attached with alkene. You have two methyl group and alpha position you have another methyl group. That is labeled as P. You should find whether it will come in axial or equatorial and write the stable conformation. Here if you look at it, cyclohexane is there. Cyclohexane always chair form is more stable. Twisted boat and half boat come later. So let us draw cyclohexane first. Then the real question comes where the labeled methyl group comes. The methyl group can be come in axial or equatorial. If it is in the equatorial position, it has steric effect there. So steric effect is less if it is in the axial position. So no steric effect is more stable. So axial is more stable. Here it is different than the normal one, which is equatorial is more stable, but here axial is stable. The concept you got to learn here is even steric effect can control the conformation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.